Hi, welcome back to Academic Bites. Let's start with a simple question. Why online education? The cliche answer is that online education is a revolutionary way to learn, accessible to everyone, from anywhere, at any time. But is it really as beneficial as it's made out to be? Today, let's dig into the harsh reality behind online education. Is it often driven by profit? Why the actual benefits for students are frequently really minimal? Today we are talking about the real issue behind online education, why it's all about money and very far from truth. First, let's talk about the massive market behind online education. Major platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and various university programs have tapped into this well-paid sector, generating millions of pounds annually. But how did education transform into such a profitable business? A very big question mark. Consider this. The global e-learning market was valued at $277 billion in 2023 and is projected to skyrocket to $900 billion by 2032. That's astonishing. That's crazy. But why is this happening? What makes these platforms so appealing to students? The only sad answer I can find, because these platforms promise quick, easy, and often cheap ways to gain new skills and certifications, unfortunately. But at what cost? Are these courses truly as effective as traditional learning methods? No, they are not. And they can't be made to be so, as we will see in this video. Let's get into the heart of the issue, the benefits, or rather the lack thereof. Many online courses are designed to be passive. You watch pre-recorded videos, maybe take a quiz or two. Yes, no problem. If you take the quiz and you fail, and then you take it 20 times, you can repeat it until the right answer will come. And even if you selected the right answer by chance, no problem. Voila, you've learned a new skill. Really? Yes, I have seen many times such examples on LinkedIn. For example, I finished a 3-week course on machine learning and I'm now an expert. You don't believe me? Check my MIT EDX certificate. This is really so wrong. Learning is not about being exposed to materials. It is about slowly observing and interacting with these subjects. Learning is not just about ticking boxes or accumulating certificates. It's about engaging deeply with materials, applying knowledge in real-world scenarios, and developing critical thinking skills. Consider the difference between simply just reading a textbook and participating in a real-world project. A learner who watches videos about machine learning, for example, without practical application may walk away with a certificate but lacks the real expertise needed for almost any job. Another major issue is the misleading achievement and fake certificates, unfortunately. Many online courses offer certificates that look impressive but hold little real-world value. They don't stand up and help at all in higher education or for employment. Imagine, for example, spending time and money on a course only to find out that the certificate you earned is particularly worthless. This misleading practice gives the students false confidence, unfortunately, and false sense of accomplishment that does not translate into actual skills. Very sad, unfortunately. Finally, humans are inherently social creatures, and one of the biggest challenges in online learning is the pervasive sense of isolation. Enrolling in an online course can feel incredibly lonely, leaving students disconnected from their peers, instructors, and environments. While platforms like Zoom, Google Meet provide some opportunities for interaction, they often fail to replicate the richness of face-to-face engagement. Think about it. In a traditional classroom, spontaneous conversations and group dynamics foster an amazing sense of community and collaboration. In contrast, the online environments can feel detached, where students often struggle to form any meaningful connections. This lack of social interaction not only impacts motivation, but can also hinder all the learning process, unfortunately. It's crucial to be aware of online education limitations and the commercialization that often prioritizes profit over genuine learning. Remember, quality education requires active engagement, critical thinking, and practical application. Finally, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. See you soon.